How to chat with friends on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store, search Roblox, and then make sure your Roblox is updated. Click on Update. This chat version may not be available in older versions, so simply you will need to update your Roblox to the latest version. After it's updated, open the app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, you will find Party option, which is beside Avatar and more. Click on it. In here, you can simply add friends. If you have already DM'd them, you will find their username in here. Or simply click on plus sign at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on plus sign at the top right corner of your screen, simply search your friends and then add, and then click on create at the top right corner of your screen and then chat with them. If this party section is not available, click on more located at the bottom right. Scroll down. In here, you'll find settings. Click on settings. After you click on settings, click on Privacy and Content Majority, which is the third option. After that, simply click on Communications, which is the second option. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Party, which is the second option. Then make sure it is allowed. Make sure party is with friends and then also group party friends. And this is how to chat with friends on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.